Hi, this is Vaikunth. I'm the CEO and Managing Director of Robo Healthcare. On this World Diabetes Day, we are actually coming up with two unique food supplement products. Namely Diablock and Diablock Plus. Diablock is intended for normal individuals, and the product is intended to address their stress levels. And Diablock Plus is a special supplement formulated for diabetic patients.
So in this space, we'll be launching in Chennai city first, and our launch partners are Apollo Pharmacy, Karupaya Pharmacy, Muthu Pharmacy Group, and Laksha Hospital and Thirumalai Medicals. Our next step will be to penetrate all the pharmacies in Chennai city, and the third step will be to penetrate all of Tamil Nadu. These products are very uniquely tailored to the customer's needs, and we have priced the products to be very competitive. Diablock, the product will cost rupees 350 for 30 capsules, and Diablock Plus will cost rupees 500 for 30 capsules again.
Both these products are intended for people above the age of 18. We don't want to generally give any medication or any supplements for kids, typically kids and children. So it is intended for people who are above the age of 18, and the products are commonly available. It should be commonly available in the market starting the 18th of November.
So this product, we intend to market it very ethically with the support of doctors. So anything that patients should consume should come with the support of their medical care provider or doctors. And we'll be working with doctors to make them aware on the products, and we'll be able to get them to prescribe the product based on their understanding of the product and based on the belief that this product will be effective and useful for their patients.
We all know that our food has various deficiencies, or there are certain specific nutrients which may not be present in our food at all. So Diablock and Diablock Plus was developed after extensive research on about 60,000 patients, and the formulation will technically prove that it can fill the deficiencies present in diet, and which will allow people to lead a very healthy life.
A common question that we get is, how long should these products be consumed by end consumers? So diabetes and stress today are lifestyle issues. Those are not something that will go away in one shot. It's present and inherent in our lives. So the point is, if you're going to consume food on a daily basis, you need to supplement your food on a daily basis with food supplements, and that's where Diablock and Diablock Plus will fill the gap.
Another important point to add upon, diabetes, as we know, it can never be cured. There are a lot of people, we see in the markets, claiming that diabetes can be cured, and they have developed a miracle drug which can cure diabetes. But the ultimate truth, which I'm sure, our doctor community would agree strongly, is diabetes can never be cured. So, as long as diabetes is there in the human body, Diablock Plus is strongly recommended for these people.
Hi, I'm Dr. Mohan. I'm a diabetologist by profession. I feel that a lot of food supplements are available in the market which has got various values. Many of them are quite good, but then we should understand that taking more than one is not going to be helpful, and many of the so-called antioxidants or pro-oxidants, in the sense what you want to prevent by taking them would be the thing which will not be preventing, but it could be prove harmful also. You should also understand that 2 tablets of vitamins are not better than 3, and 3 is not better than 2. We should understand that we need to take a vitamin tablet which is an accepted recommended allowance of each substances that needs to be taken, and continue with the same. We are not supposed to just keep shifting from vitamin to vitamin and cannot take it as fancy pleases, or just because something is costly it does not make it better. So it is better to take something which is approved and continue with it. Please do not take multiple antioxidants and vitamins, as it may prove more harmful than usefulness. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Mohan. At this point, I want to emphasize the fact that we have designed the product to ensure that it meets all the dietary compliance requirements based on the FDA, the Food and Drug Administration, the enforcing body for supplements in United States. They set the benchmark, and we have ensured that we meet all their benchmarks in terms of supporting the right amount of calorie value on a daily basis. Thank you.
Today is an important day we observe every year for the last few years. Number 14th is considered as World Diabetes Day. Now, why has diabetes come to such prominence? And why is a day allotted to one particular disease called diabetes? That's because, one is the number of people with diabetics in India is very high, and this population is very vulnerable to getting into more diseases of the body, especially of the heart, the kidney, the nerves, and the eyes. And it's important for us to be aware and to spread the message on this particular day that diabetics can be controlled and can also be prevented. So this message must be spread to all the population, especially the vulnerable population and people who have no knowledge about the problems which diabetes can cause. So we take this opportunity on this day to spread the message that diabetics can lead a healthy life within a control, within a proviso. That is, they are given certain guidelines to follow. And it's important that the population of these people follow strictly what has been told to them. That's the only way we can prevent the number of people getting into trouble who already have diabetics and to prevent people from becoming diabetic. This message must be spread through the media basically and explain the problems of diabetes and how we can prevent people from getting into trouble. So it's important that we organize and spread messages on this particular day, and we wish all our patients a healthy life and healthy lifestyle especially, and to protect themselves from getting diabetic. This is the message we want to convey on this particular day. We wish to reiterate our commitment to treating diabetes and to encourage our patients to lead a healthy lifestyle, adopt a healthy eating style also, and to have daily physical activity and to take their medicines regularly and to check their sugars very regularly and go back to the doctor for changing their medicines, and if necessary get counseled as far as the diet is concerned. So it's very important that they meet the doctors very regularly for follow-up. It so happens that people think that they take medicines and everything is running smoothly. But diabetes is a silent killer and doesn't show any symptoms. So it's very important the patient should not wait for symptoms and then go to the doctor. It's important to prevent the complications of diabetes. This is a message normally we want to convey to our patients very strongly and encourage them to meet their doctors on a regular basis with their blood reports.
For the launch of this product, as today is World Diabetes Day, and today is Children's Day as well. So where is the link between Children's Day and World Diabetes Day? Well, awareness of maintaining a good diet and sustaining good health begins at the womb. Basically, when a lady is pregnant, that is when it starts, and that is when awareness needs to start. That is when the children, the future of India, are going to lead a healthy life and a very social life, both physically and mentally. For this precise reason, we have in our audience gynecologists, pediatricians and obstetricians. I welcome these key stakeholders in the medical ecosystem. India, as we all know, is the diabetes capital of the world, and according to the latest reports from the World Health Organization, India has about 50 million diabetic people. I mean, in Indian terms, it's about 5 crore people who have diabetes. To ensure that our fellow Indian brothers and sisters can effectively fight this disease, we need the best of medical practitioners in the field of diabetology. We are fortunate to have with us today a few of the best diabetologists in the audience, and I welcome them humbly. And of course, a couple of diabetologists who are present with us in the podium, Dr. Vamsi Mohan and Dr. K. Mohan. We sincerely welcome you to the launch event of Diabloxer. At Robo Healthcare, we not only manufacture these critical food supplements, but also an entire suite of pharmaceutical products. We all know that pharmaceutical products go through a rigorous process from conception to consumption by the end consumers. We are indeed proud to claim that our customers can be guaranteed of a high quality product that guarantees a safe and a worry-free experience. For diseased patients, the medicines that they consume provide the lifeline to continue to live peacefully. The distributors that ensure that medicines are available in each area across India, and the pharmacist that supplies the appropriate medicine based on the prescription, are a critical part in the healthcare ecosystem. Their services to the public are welcome, and we sincerely welcome the representatives in the audience from this pharmaceutical community as well. They say that the pen is mightier than the sword. It's indeed the representation of power that the media carries in today's world of instant news and connected delivery. I sincerely welcome our friends from the print, television, radio and online media community that are assembled here, and request that they communicate the awareness that they gain from here in the best possible manner to the general public. Unless you guys reach to the public, nobody is going to know what is going to happen, where and when. As a part of the healthcare community, we all work hard to ensure our customers, the general population, is kept healthy and able to fight the challenges that life throws at them. We exist because they want us to exist. I thank them for keeping us in existence and welcome members from the general public that are present in the audience. For our population to achieve the quality of life that they desire, we need an effective governance structure to draft policies and implement them from beginning at the grassroots level. We are privileged to have such a representation here today. I welcome our Chief Guest of Honor, Mr. JCD Prabhakar. He is a member of Legislative Assembly from the Villivakkam constituency and also our other bureaucrats from the Secretariat of Tamil Nadu. Here I want to highlight Mr. Prabhakar's noteworthy initiative of MLA at your doorstep and thank him for his public service. Thank you, sir. Last but not the least, I welcome our partners that fuel the growth and capabilities of Robo Healthcare. Without their vital service delivery, we would not be here. A gracious welcome to all our business associates and partners. Okay, now the question of who is Robo Healthcare? The simple answer is we are an innovative healthcare entity focused on saving lives through preemptive healthcare. The word preemptive, I'm pretty sure that the word preemptive is pretty new to most of us here. Preemptive is to tackle something before it transforms into an issue. In Tamil, Varumun Kaapom அப்படினு நம்ம சொல்றது typically. We are based here in Chennai and a huge welcome to our family and friends who are present here for the event. I have a few words on this World Diabetes Day for our consumers as well. The market is flooded with millions of products, but a word of caution from our from Robo Healthcare as a well-wisher. Because it is World Diabetes Day, all these statements are going to be focused on diabetes. Now, the first point, diabetes can never be cured. Let's accept the fact, it can never be cured. It can only be regulated or managed by medicines. So please do not get carried away by false or fake claims and funky advertisements which come in day-to-day lives, which we encounter in day-to-day lives and get into trouble. Doctors and healthcare professionals are your well-wishers. If you have any doubts or questions, please consult your healthcare physician before taking any such decision or an initiative, and make sure that the products you may consume are free from heavy metals